guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are out doing our first craft fair of the year since COVID, and I want to show you our little setup. All right, this is my display.
Yeah.
We have some lip balm holders, some puff keychains. We've got hand sanitizer holders, asthma inhaler cases, and some lip balm holders. And these displays were all made and spray painted. It was much cheaper than buying it online. We got a whole sheet for like 24 bucks, I believe. Cut it down and put some little hinges on it so it could sit up. And don't mind the children in the back, those are just my little ones. And then we've got some tumblers and some coffee mugs. I've got some Apple Watch bands that I ordered. All right, we've got some mouse pads.
Something weird is up with that.
All right, then we cut this display down short so it could fit on the table. We have some hand sanitizer holders with the bottles with sanitizer in it. And then we've got some bags. I'll put the prices up there. And then I've got my Tooth Fairy door hangers. And then we've got this small table here with just some knives on it. That the little one is running. Mima, do you want to say hi for YouTube? No? Okay. All right, guys, we'll back up so you can get a bigger picture of it. And all right, got to bag back up because my baby said I did not show the giant knife. All right, YouTube, there's the big giant knife. Pretty reasonable price. Don't know if you're in Louisiana, but if you are, find us. Just kidding. That's it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, and if you have any comments, comment down below.